My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Volkswagen Charan. This vehicle has done just over 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that it comes with 7 seats in total. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control, voice control, and automatic headlights. On the screen, we can get quick access to navigation, traffic reports, radio, media, Bluetooth, and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.